Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off background app to save battery on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to turn off your background apps, let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery. Select it and here just further scroll down and and you will get a list of battery consumption or battery usage on your phone. Here you will get all of your apps. You can easily look for background usage time. Is this the background usage time for every app? You just have to select one of them which you want to disable. And I'm going to disable randomly this one, so just tap on it. And here the allow background usage. You must have to disable this setting. So in this way, you can easily disable the background usage of every app which you want. Just thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.